What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning into Patchfitch Entertainment Purposes Only Impact XP. And why is it primed to outperform blue chip tokens in 2022? We're at about 15,000 holders. We are still so new in this project. 15,000 is nothing as far as where this coin and how many holders this coin is going to get. A couple things right out of the gates on why this coin is going to go crazy. One thing, saitama. Now I know a couple projects didn't end up going on to saitama, right? I'm not going to get into any of those issues. I'm just going to talk about the effect that saitama will have on ImpactXP. Currently, Impact has about 15,000 holders, like I said. Once it gets listed on saitama itself has over 310,000 holders, 315. I don't know what the number is right now, but it jumps like 24. It is just jumping like crazy. ImpactXP, their community and saitama's community are both awesome communities. And once ImpactXP gets listed on saitama, now ImpactXP is in front of over 300,000 holders. What if 10% of saitama holders jump into ImpactXP? 10%. I'm not saying 50, 75%. What if 10% of those, let's just say 300,000 holders, that's 30,000 holders. It's going to go from a 15,000 holder to a 45,000 holder in the matter of a week, 2 weeks maybe not even, maybe a couple days. This is going to be mind-blowing. The price of this coin is going to skyrocket more than it ever has before. Now listen, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. This is for entertainment purposes. That's why I throw it up in the title. I'm just really a YouTube guy that loves to talk about crypto. If you're getting your financial advice from a YouTuber, stop. Do your research. Dig into these coins. The things I look for if I'm brand new is, how is the community of the coin? How is the project? Are they trying to do good in the world? Do they have a strong support system? You need to look at all these things. Is the community toxic? Do they battle back and forth with coins? Or if you ask questions on a Telegram, do you get banned right away? Or do they help you and guide you through answers that you need? Those are things you should look for, right? ImpactXP, for me personally, crosses off those boxes. And that's why I'm so excited about it. Such a new coin, tons of holders. The potential of saitama holders jumping in is absolutely insane. But let's go ahead and look at this chart. This is why I think we are set to explode once we get on saitama. Here is the 24-hour. Now, if you say, Keith, that's nothing to be impressed about, let's go to the 7-day. Keith, again, that's nothing to be impressed about. 14-day, nothing to be impressed about. No huge gains. This is where I am so excited to tell you. I love looking at this sideways action because in a market right now where Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these blue chip tokens are going down in price, we are going steady across. We didn't dump. We could have dumped all the way down and lost to zero, but we did not. We are steadily trading sideways, getting ready, in my personal opinion, for that big pump up. This is why I'm so excited. This isn't a pump and dump project. They have real backers. And let's see. Let me jump into this right here. We just got listed on Bitmart Exchange. Big time The more exchanges, the better. Now, is Bitmart like a Coinbase or KuCoin or Crypto.com? No. But what it does is a lot of people that don't want to trade outside of Bitmart and love Bitmart, they're going to have access to ImpactXP. As many exchanges as you can get on, good or bad. I mean, Bitmart had its issues, right? They got hacked. They had its issues. But still, people love trading on Bitmart. We are now on Bitmart. So we are going to be in front of those investors, increasing our holders. Let's see, another thing. This is huge. Now, they are going to be at the expo in Dubai with, I believe, a titanium package, which is the top package. Tens of thousands of dollars to get that package. But what is in Dubai? How much money is in Dubai? There, in my opinion, there are going to be so many partnerships that are being done at this expo, and ImpactXP is set to take that leap and be one of the top performing coins and projects of 2022. Let that sink in. That expo is not just a little conference where you shake a bunch of hands, kiss some babies, do all that stuff. There is a purpose for going to Dubai, and that is to get the word out, to get exposure of your project, and also make partnerships and deals. That is where this company, this project, is going to get to the next level. You add all these things up, the price right now going sideways instead of dumping, Bitmart Exchange, saitama, about to be listed on saitama and be with all of those holders. This expo, this project is primed to be one of the top earners in 2022. If you hold a bag of ImpactXP, if you're excited about where ImpactXP is going, drop a like on this video, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and let's get it.